નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear students, we have already completed Water Dance Part 1, this poem, as well as the second part of this poem. If you have doubt in this portion, whenever you come to me, you can ask your doubts to me. This poem is explained and so many question and answer also have given for the same. Prepare it well, and then afterwards with the second lesson we will move ahead now. We'll move ahead in our second unit, that is man's relation with animals. So many pictures you would have seen, just like Hathi Mere Sathi, Tarzan, etc., where you would have seen man's relationship with animal. You see here, right from the beginning, we are having petted animals, birds, etc. You know it very well that Chetak, the horse of Maharana Pratap, was well known for the faithfulness and loyalty towards Maharana Pratap. Here, fantastic story is narrated. This story is about the relation of a man and a horse. In so many pictures you would have seen this. In so many serials you would have seen dog, monkey, pigeon, parrot, cow, bullock. They are used to remain a character in the story, and here is the same thing. This is the story where a man is a character, and with this character one horse is also a character, and so that only you are having this picture. And in this picture you will see a person who is riding his own horse. This picture itself is enough to tell you the title of our story, and that is entire story is based on this picture, the man's relationship with animal. You see here, here singular personification is used, man's, and so that apostrophe s is used, man is given there, so that one person is explained here in this story. This is a story where you are having another picture. From this picture you will come to know that this fellow was having a horse cart, and with this horse cart he was living his life. These two ideas we will have in this picture, and the end of this story is really something different one. A few glossary words are also given there, so that that also we will think. But just before that, we will be here with this story in short. In activity A, something is given. Once there was an Arab who owned a very fine horse. The Arab treated him with care and kindness. The thing is what? This: if you will treat your animal with care and kindness, your animal also will treat you with care and kindness. In Gujarati also you were having one story. In Sanskrit also, in 8th standard Sanskrit also, you are having one story. Gujarati માં એનું નામ હતું સિંહની દોસ્તી. How a lion is there with a human being. Here it is about the horse. One day the Arab was attacked by some robbers. He fell off the horse. He was so seriously wounded that he was not able to get up. His horse saw this. He understood that his master was badly hurt. He seized his master's belt between his teeth. The word is used here, seized. Seized, he tied the belt of his master in his teeth and brought him home. People who saw this praised both horse as well as his master. Why is it so? Because if you will take care of your petted birds or animals, naturally that bird, that animal will care for you. Two questions are given there. How did the horse help the master? The horse seized his master's belt and between his teeth and brought him home. Next to that one is what does the incident convey about man-animal relationship? Man-animal relationship is so ancient one. So many examples we are having, and with that example we can establish the relation in between man and animal. What I told you initially, the same thing is given here. Maharana Pratap's horse, a name of that horse is Chetak. The same thing is given here. Loyalty of that horse and how that horse was with Maharana Pratap, and how Maharana Pratap fought against. We will move ahead with the second activity, and that is the content of our story. Montreal is a very large city of Canada. You see here, this is the name of a province, place, Montreal, and the entire story is the story from Canada. And it has some very wide and big streets, just like Prince Edward Street. How Prince Edward Street is well known for his wide and big area, like that Montreal city of Canada had the same condition. No one knew this street as well as did Parry Dupin. This is the name of the character Parry Dupin. Pay attention exactly about the spelling of Parry and pronunciation. P-I-E-R-R-E, P-E-R-E, don't pronounce it, Parry Dupin. Next to that one, Parry had delivered milk to the families on his street for 30 years. Another thing is given here, and that is 30 years. Since last 30 years, he was used to deliver milk to different families in the place named Montreal of Canada. And he was one of the many milk wagon drivers that worked for a milk company. Who was Parry Dupin? Parry Dupin was a driver. He was a milk wagon driver. So many drivers were there, milk wagon drivers. Among them, Parry Dupin was one in a milk company. How we are having here Amul Milk Pita Hai India. That is a company. In that company or in such companies, milk wagon would be there. So many times you would have seen milk wagon on the road. Like that, milk wagon was there, and with that milk wagon, Parry Dupin was there as a driver in milk wagon. Up to this extent we keep here. In next lecture we'll move ahead with the same lesson next time. Till that, once again, I'll give you one homework, and that is what you will start reading of this lesson. You will enjoy it a lot. Till that, we'll be here only. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.